Hi, my name is Dean Crystal. I'm an associate professor in the College of Education and Human Ecology in the Department of Teaching and Learning. I'm also working on research with the MNet group, and I was asked to create this short video on a course I created called Educators Getting Comfortable with Technology. And for those of you that are familiar with the use of an iPad and specifically the App Store or iTunes U, I think this will be a very easy process. For those of you that aren't that sure, I will make it as comfortable and easy and streamless and as possible. So once you turn on your iPad, I would like you to go to the App Store, and your goal is to download the iTunes U. And as you can see, I already have done this, but I will go through this process. So I click on the App Store, and I already typed in iTunes U, and that's all you have to do in the upper right hand corner, like you would do with any kind of app, and up came iTunes U. And as you can see, I already have downloaded it, but for those of you that have not downloaded it, you certainly will have to. And once it's downloaded, you just have to open the application, and it should take you to this page, which is a library of all the courses around the world of iTunes U that are specifically geared for education on college campuses. Ohio State has numerous courses, and one of them is this specific course. So how to get there, the second step or the next step is to type in the name of the course, and the name of the course is Educators Getting Comfortable with Technology, and mine already popped up, and it should look something like this. And as you can see, now we have the course, and there's the MNet symbol recognizing that this is in conjunction with the MNet project. Once there, all you have to do is to click, and up pops the course, and you are going to have to open the course. You will have to download the course. Mine has already been downloaded, and once there, the course will be downloaded into the library. And this is my particular library. I have 5 courses loaded up. As you can see, they just aren't at Ohio State, and you can see the course Educators Getting Comfortable with Technology listed as one of the 5 courses, and all you have to do is to touch the course, and up pops the actual course. And this is the overview of the course. On the left hand side, you can see a listing of overview, instructor, and the outline of the course. And I'll go through each of those parts, and then we'll move on to the actual meat of the course to actually see what the course entails. Again, this is just the overview of the course. Gives you a brief description, when it was created, what the expectations are for the course. And the second part in the left-hand column is the instructor, a little background about myself if you're interested. Again, my name is Dean Crystal. I'm at Ohio State. And then the third area is the outline of the course. As you can see, it actually gets you to the various places, but that's if you're just interested in those specific topics, that's perfectly fine. You can move throughout the course. You don't have to start at the beginning and get to the end. You can move within the modules, but I'm going to show you the whole course and give you a brief demonstration of one of the modules. So at the bottom, you see there's 4 tabs: info, posts, notes, and materials. Right now we're in info, information about the course. I will press posts, and this is the course. In iTunes U language, they call them posts. Each of the modules are called posts, and there's a series of the postings or modules. The second part, and I will return back to this page, are notes that you could create notes for the course. For example, here's course notes. You could tap the compose button to add notes right up here. So if you want to add some kind of notes to the course, to a specific module that will help you remember some of the things that are discussed in that particular posting or module. The second one is audio-visual notes. It says tap the notes button when playing a video to create a video note. So if you want to create a video note, I tend not to do that. It complicates things. I try to keep things as easy as possible. And the last one are book notes. View and edit your iBook notes for books in this course. And in this case, there are no books associated with this course, but a lot of links. So let's return back to the all notes. As you can see, there will be a listing of the various notes that you took on this course. And then the last button at the bottom is a listing of all the materials. And as you can see, there's quite a few materials that are used in the course. I'm not going to go through all of them. They are embedded within the course. As you can see, there's 110 different pieces of materials from documents, apps, and web links. So there's quite a few parts to this course. As I said, we'll return back to the course under Posts, and here is what the course looks like. And we're at Introduction. Let's go to the Introduction, or let's return back here to all of the posts. And as you can see, it's Introduction, and this essentially is the post or the module for the information and materials under Introduction. The next one is Evaluation, as you can see. And as we go through, you can see all the different modules or postings that are associated with the list or the outline to the left. You can either click on the name of the post. For example, right here will get you to the posting or the module dealing with evaluation. But let's return back to Introduction. And the Introduction posting is to get you a little bit of understanding about the course, as well as iTunes U if you're not familiar with this. It will also instruct you to download the YouTube app. There are some YouTube videos that are used in this particular course. And then there's also a reading, and I'm going to go through each of these parts that pretty much looks like most of the modules or postings. So here is the complete posting with all the detail, and it goes through how to download the iTunes U app and other types of information related to the beginnings of this course. Then we could scroll down, and there's a video I created as an explanation of the course. It's a YouTube video, and here is the YouTube app that you can download. It's optional. And then there is a PDF of some information to read about the role of technology in the 21st century classroom. And so, for example, we could click this one, and it's asking you to open the link, and it will just simply, you just have to click it, and there you go. Okay? And that is to watch the video, which we won't do, but just giving you some idea on how it works. Let's move on to evaluation, and I'm not going to go through all the different modules or posts, but I just want to show you the one dealing with evaluation. It explains what's expected of you, what you can learn from this module. Again, there is a video about evaluation web pages. It's a tutorial that you can watch. As you can see, it goes back to the YouTube, and it will see it's linking to evaluation web pages tutorial. And you notice that I just press the button here, and it returns me back to the course from YouTube. And then here is the rubric dealing with evaluation of websites. It's a very easy um, application to evaluate websites, and all you have to do is open the document and up pops the document. And you can read the document, you can download it, and to me, the whole essence of the iTunes U course is that simple. Everything is done relatively easy within the iPad framework. If you have any other kinds of questions, do not hesitate to contact me at Cristol, CRISTOL .2 at osu.edu, and I can give you more information about the course. If you get stuck in certain areas, I'd be glad to walk through it with you. It's not a problem. But I created this course to make it easy, simple, and usable for learning about technology that's used in the classroom. That has been, and the technology that I've chosen is technology that millions of teachers around the world are using, both within the classroom as a way to communicate with students, with parents, and also a way to get information about what it takes to using technology in the 21st century classroom. Good luck, and again, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact me. Thank you.